Good day everyone. For today's video, you will learn the relationship between pair of angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal for same side or adjacent angles. This video features an instructional material, particularly a figure, labeled with both print and braille characters. The needed materials are braille paper, tracing wheel, and a marker. So let's get started. Before anything else, we will review some key terms. We have parallel lines. These are lines that do not intersect. Another, we have transversal line. It is a line that passes through two lines. In this figure, we have a pair of parallel lines AB and CD. Line AB is placed above the line CD, which is cut by a transversal line EF with the following points of intersection. We have point H that lies on the line AB and point G that lies on the line CD. So we are given two angles AHG and angle CGH. For the first horizontal line, we locate angle AHG by starting from the left, which is at point A. Then we go to the right until we reach the vertex, which is at point H, and then we go downwards and until we reach the point G. So this is angle AHG. For the second horizontal line, we locate angle CGH by starting from the left, which is at point C. Then we go to the right until we reach the vertex, which is at point G. Then we go upwards until we reach the point H. So this is angle CGH. Do you recognize these angles? These are same side interior angles. As a review, same side interior angles are two non-adjacent interior angles in the same side of a transversal. Please remember that when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then same side interior angles are supplementary. This is also what we call as the same side interior angles theorem. So let's go back to our example. Suppose the measure of angle AHG is 37. Then what is the measure of angle CGH? Using the same side interior angles theorem, since AHG is supplementary to CGH, then as we solve, we have 180 minus 37, we get 143. Therefore, the measure of angle CGH is equal to 143. By the way, when we want to know if these angles are supplementary, then we'll just get the difference between the given angle and 180. So that is how we obtained 143. So we have another pair of angles. We have angle BHG and angle DGH. For the first horizontal line, we locate angle BHG by starting at the right, which is at point B, then we go to the left until we reach the vertex, which is at point H. And then we go downwards until we reach the point G. So this is angle BHG. For the second horizontal line, we locate an angle DGH by starting from the right, which is at point D here. Then we go to the left until we reach the vertex, which is at point G. Then we go upwards until we reach the point H. So this is angle DGH. Going back to our example, so suppose angle BHG is equal to 135. So what is the measure of angle DGH? So using the same side interior angles theorem, we subtract 180 and 135 to get the measure of angle DGH. So 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. Therefore, we can say that the measure of angle DGH is equal to 45. We are given another pair of angles. We have angles AHF and angle CGE. For the first horizontal line, we locate angle AHF by starting from the left at point A. Then we go to the right until we reach the vertex, which is at point H. And we go upwards until point F. This is angle AHF. For the second horizontal line, we locate angle CGE by starting from the left at point C. Then we go to the right until we reach the vertex, which is at point G. Then we go downwards until we reach the point E. Do you recognize these angles? These are same side exterior angles. So let us recall what are same side exterior angles. These are two non-adjacent exterior angles in the same side of a transversal. Note that when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the same side exterior angles are supplementary. This is also what we know as same side exterior angles theorem. Going back to our example, assume that the measure of angle AHF is 34. Then, what is the measure of angle CGE? Using the same side exterior angles theorem, we subtract 34 from 180. And here, 180 minus 34 gives us 146. Therefore, angle CGE is equal to 146. So, proceeding to our last example, we are given angles BHF and angle DGE. For the first horizontal line, we locate angle BHF by starting from the right, which is at point B. Then we go to the left until we reach the point H, which is the vertex. Then we go upwards until we reach the point F. So this is angle BHF. For the second horizontal line, We locate angle DGE by starting from the right at point D, then we go to the left until we reach the vertex which is at point G, then we go downwards until we reach the point E. These are also same side exterior angles. So if the measure of angle BHF is equal to 38, what is the measure of angle DGE? Using the same side exterior angles theorem, we subtract 38 from 180. So we have 180 minus 38 gives us 142. Therefore, the measure of angle DGE is equal to 142. I hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you everyone. See you on the next video.